if you have this bot that can help you to organize delivery to the customers at the right cost and the right time with the right truck configuration. Today, we're going to introduce Skya Truck Optimisation Bot. Let's give it a try and look at the results. First, we put in the pickup address. So I randomly just pick this address and a delivery address. And let's say we have pallets of, I'll just give it a 15 pallets. And let's say that this is a standard pallet size and stock available date. Let's say tomorrow, Thursday. And when must it arrive by? And let's say Friday. And then we add order to batch. Then we have the next order, assuming the same pickup address to the same delivery address. And this time we have 5 pallet. And let's say that this is a half pallet size. Stock also available tomorrow. This is also need to deliver by Friday. And another one, same address. And this time we said 12 pallets and standard pallet size also available tomorrow. And this one can be delivered by next Friday the latest. Okay, last one, same pickup address, delivery address. Let's pick another address. I got the next address, a different address, and this time it's, let's say, is 23 pallets, standard pallet size, available also tomorrow, and must arrive by, let's say, Friday. Add order to batch. So now we got 4 orders in place, which is shown here. Next, click on this analyze consolidation options, and here are the results. So let's take a look at the options. This is being recommended with the first option, which is deliver all 53 pallets. It has a schedule on sending out the truck on the 4th of September for the 2 orders on 18 pallets using medium rigid truck, and it costs 4160. And then the rest of the 35 pallets will be organized to truck it out on September 10 using B double, and it costs 3600. For these options, it is excellent truck utilization, more than 80%. Next options, the cost is 7263 and the transit time is 20 hours. Let's take a look compared to the early one, 7263, so it's slightly cheaper, and the time 17.3 hours here, and this one is 20, so this one is taking slightly longer but it's cheaper. So for this one, it's saying that dispatch everything till the September 10, so 30 pallets, 3 orders using the B double, 3600. And for this one, also September 10, there are 23 pallets going to Knitted City shopping, and this one also using a B double, 3600. So which solution is best for you? In this case, I would pick this one, because first of all, the cost doesn't reduce significantly. The transit time is reduced by around 2 hours plus. Most importantly, the stock arrives early on time, so which will meet the customer requirements. Therefore, I would have chosen these options. So thank you in using this Skya Truck Optimization Bot. What do you think of this bot? Please make a comment.